How to fix message unavailable problem on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix if you see message unavailable or Instagram message unavailable problem. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you get such kind of error, then that means the sender may have deleted the messages or the sender account was deactivated or banned. You may also get such error if you were removed from any one of your group chat and if the message was sent after you were out. Or if the sender have changed their privacy settings or blocked you after sending the message, the Instagram may also show such message error. Or if sometimes there is a glitch on the server, then the Instagram may also display such messages as unavailable if nothing happened. So in such case, if you want to fix it, then refresh your application. Completely close off everything from your device. After that, restart the Instagram again and check whether your problem can be solved or not. If that still does not help you, then make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. In order to look for its update, you have to open up Play Store in your device, search for the Instagram and check whether the update is available or not. If the update is available, you have to update the application. After that, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, check if you are still connected with sender. If you cannot find their profile, they may have deleted their account or blocked you or deactivated their account. And if nothing works out, wait and try again. If there is a glitch, it will fix after some time. So in this way, you can fix the message unavailable problem on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.